Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers, and oh my goodness, it's September 2022, and it's time for Christmas cards. I've created this really fun, heartfelt Christmas card collection for you because it's so awesome to receive beautiful handmade cards at Christmas. We have all been so disconnected, and I'm so excited to have this time to really connect with all my friends and family. Well, this collection features the Brightest Glow stamp set. All of the greetings come from just this one stamp set. So when you invest in this, you are going to get such an incredible variety of cards. And what's really fun is this whole theme is all about glow because the dies that match this particular stamp set have like little Christmas lights peeking out from behind. So it's a beautiful, beautiful collection. The artist that did this at Stampin' Up! Was just thinking about capturing all of that light and brightness and sparkle of the Christmas season. Well, let's take a closer look at the 8 cards that I've designed for you. Well, this is an absolutely amazing stamp set. There are 12 greetings in here, great for the outsides of the cards and the insides of the cards. And each one of my cards uses a different greeting on it in a little bit different format. But what is even more exciting is that they have partnered this with 2 different die sets. This is the Twinkling Lights Dies, and this is the Labels AGLOW Dies. And I've used both of these sets to give you that sense of the light just popping through with the Christmas cards. So you can see in this one, we've got a halo of dots coming out with this cute little snowflake in the center. And on this one, we've got this, what I would call just a whole array of snowflakes, and then some larger snowflakes in the back. And look at this absolutely adorable greeting piece. I love that die that does that. And then here, we've used the snowflake. And then look at this gorgeous, gorgeous specialty vellum. It's over here, and look at the different choices. There's 6 different pieces. 3 of them are flocked, and 3 of them have this beautiful iridescent look to them. I don't know if you can see how it just picks up all the different colors. So we've got our little snowflake on there as well. And then of course we've got a beautiful tree. And look how the lights come through the die. I've also added a few little gems and added a little bit of embossed gold foil on the edges just to pop out and kind of go with a little star. So this is just a fabulous collection. The 2 inks that you'll need to use for this set are Garden Green and Real Red. Very basic colors for Christmas. And all of these dies are done for you, but you'll need to have the stamping from the Brightest Glow stamp set. Well, let's take a look at the other 4 cards in this collection. Well, here's a fun little playful ho 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 card, and what I've used with this card is this absolutely adorable Santa Express Designer Series paper. It's so fun and bright and just a really fun color palette. Then I'd like to show you this beautiful card here, and that's done with our Boughs of Holly Designer Series paper. Just an absolutely extraordinarily beautiful poinsettias and greenery, just beautiful things there. Here's a cute one. Isn't that elegant? What I've done there is use these eucalyptus 3D embossing folders to emboss gold foil, and of course added the little detail. And don't you just love the little detail here from our beautiful dies? And then our last one in this series is a cute little festive season's greeting card, and that comes from this set of Designer Series paper. Now this is Celebrate Everything designer paper, and this is a host item, so anytime you put together a $150 order, this can be yours almost free with your host dollars that you spend. So just, it's got all the different seasons, a lot of Christmas in here, which is really fun. So anyway, that's some just really fun thing. I hope you love these cards and will so enjoy making and sending so many Christmas cards this season.